Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the type of the map or map details on the Google Maps application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then you should tap on this button that you can see at the top in the right corner. Here you can select the type of the map. As you can see, there are three of them. And if you go to the second option, it's called map details. So you can select from these 8 options. So just simply click on the relevant one that you would like to change. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.